Working with Matt and the company and everything went really well. They did the menu boards and I kind of let them just run with it by explaining what we needed, and everything looks really good. We got the alarm system, the cameras, with some monitors in the back, so when you're doing dishes or working in the office, you can kind of see when somebody walks up. They're kind of like our window, you know, to the front area. The menu boards look great. We've never had to deal with menu boards before because we've always had the outdoor buildings just with like posters on them. And they look amazing. They look much better than I expected. I got recommended through Bob Court and the guys who did the build out. And they've done a lot of work for him, and he suggested I work with Millennium Sounds. I knew I wanted the menu boards, you know, right there, kind of all together. He chose the angle, he mounted them, got them all connected and wired in, and helped us get it set up, and it just really came together, and it makes the whole front area kind of pop. And I've been texting or calling, Matt's been responding, or whoever comes out and does the work explains stuff to us. Even if we forget, you know, a password or something for one of our accounts, they help us get back in and say, you know, here it is. There's no stupid questions with them. Everything has been super helpful, and I would definitely use Millennium Sounds again. Everything went smooth. The audio, the sound, speakers outside with connected to the Sonos system, everything is running smooth. I hate technology, so to have help with somebody kind of guiding me through that process, it's been great. So, you know, everything's done up perfectly, and I'm very excited about it. Just want to say thank you guys. Everything's going great. It looks amazing in here. Really glad we worked with you guys, and hope to see you guys out here.